Today we're going to walk you through how to do a self-install of our new Stealth 2.0 device. Really simple install. It gets mounted to the top of your battery. You need minimal tools. You want a rag to give your battery a wipe down. You'll need a ratchet or a drill with a 10mm drill bit. I think most of the vehicles are 10mm. And you also need a little alcohol wipe to give the battery a nice clean before you stick the device down. So we'll run through this now and we'll show you how easy it is. Okay, so it's quite simple. We've got two wires, red and black. Your vehicle will be the same color coding, so red to red, black to black. What we're going to do, there's usually a small bolt that's holding the clamp on both sides. We're going to loosen that up, grab the device. We're going to wedge the red on the red. Tighten the clamp back up, make sure the cable's secure. We're going to get our ground or negative terminal in, tighten that back up, make it sure it's secure with your rag. Give the battery a bit of a wipe down, just make sure there's no sand or anything on there. We've got a 3M very high bond sticker on the back. Grab your alcohol wipe. Give the battery a bit of a wipe down. Let that dry off a bit. Now on the device here we've got an arrow that should be pointing to the front, and the device should be mounted flat on the battery. So in my purpose I want to mount it just like this. There's also a little sticky pad for a fuse on the positive terminal which you can stick down as well. Once we've got those secured in place, shut the bonnet and you're ready to go. So now we've done the install, we've got the device up on the app. So if you have a look here, we've got ignition on, it's picked up the vehicle voltage and ready to go. Simple as that.